Today, 29 December, detailed discussion related token kind. Must subscribe our channel for latest update. This time token kind market price is 0.007900. Recently token kind moved from 0.002300 to 0.009800 area. Very high move, very big move. Recently in 1 day time frame, recent high candle check 0.002400 to 0.009800, then drop out, then again pump up to 8300. This time if you are in profit, must take the profit from point to point, because profit taking is too much important. In 1 day time frame you can see the heavy wig of token kind. Go to more option. In 1 week time frame you see heavy wig in 1 day time frame only. Check the history of token kind. Token kind when listed, its price go to high 0.063, then go to down again go to down 0.02, then again give high 0.024 cent, 0.24 cent, then slowly down 0.03, again pump up 0.08, then crash more to 0.012, then slowly crash. Recently we give many trader, many expert book this profit at this point. Whole crypto market today move. Token kind also move, heavily move. In 1 week time frame token kind can give heavy wig. In 1 month time frame token kind can give heavy wig. In 1 month time frame you can see the chart of token kind. Token kind try to move slowly. In future further move better token kind. Keep in mind, when we open the trade, always use small margin, not large margin, with stop loss, maintainable stop loss. When you open the trade, use small margin, maintain stop loss. These things are very important when we open the trade, either long or either short. In 1 day time frame token kind can give heavy wigs. In 4 hour time frame token kind can give wigs very large. Keep in mind these things when we open the trade. Go to order book, heavy amount of selling pressure at this time. Go to data option, heavy amount of selling pressure, because many people profit take. In 1 day time frame buying pressure is more than selling pressure. Check the experts opinion related to token kind. Many people say that profit take, but profit point to point take. Stop loss is very important in this kind. Either you trade in spot or either future, use small margin, use small leverage. This is the first targeted area 0.009,000. Second targeted area is 0.014. But this time you can heavily profit the book with maintainable stop loss. Also link with BTC price, and if you are in profit then move to other kind, not trade again and again on this kind. Top kind you can also move.